indeed. And what do you
The legacy. The traditions of all the other peoples that make this wonderful community. I hope that will be the legacy. I'm pretty convinced it will be the legacy. So that coming together for me.
quite a bit since you're involvement here? You're a former president. You're now a trustee. Can you tell me what are the biggest changes you've seen? Fáilte roimhisteach chuig phleá fiche fiche sé, táid ag tacht chomh an ionad coscúin i gcathair bhéal firste. An chéad chomórtas atá amachróing in neomh nach chomórtas an fíb Uileann, the Uileann Pipes, dus na daoine óga idir 5 bliana déag agus 8 bliana déag. Mar dúirt méid táid an seo sa waterfront, coscúin i méal firste. Is mise Frida agus tá riméid an downar a bheith arás libh a ríis agus muid ag trothú beo ó chuidas na chomórtas ag phleá cheol na hÉireann. Bígí deagháling ar na meán hóisialta, táid ag phleá cheol agus hasclib phleá fiche fiche sé, táid ag srothú beo ar YouTube, trad TG Cahar agus ar choltas.ie. Mar atá ráite gom baimime de díú ar na comórtais an deire seachtainna seo. agus an chéad ceann nach chomórtas an fíb ilan tá mé héin ar bís. Tá muid de tosú ag leirtrééis dó, Tá muid beag an in dénach beidir nó bhfuil ar tí tosú, agus an chéad chomórtas ina dhéag seo beag an chomórtas an ráach lééis dus na daine sínseireacha ag a chuige clog. Maidir na mórach ba muid isteach an seo a ríis sa tómar chéine de cheolberte dus na daine sínseireacha ag a decha chlog. Comórtas sínseireach ríis, comórtas an bhanjo a tosú ag leirtrééis héan, agus comórtas dearnach an lé amárig ná comórtas na critse dus na daine óga idir 5 benedéig agus 8 benedéig sinna tachoing ag a chuige clog. Maidin dánig ba muid an seo bra lua ag géisteach leis na banní céilí faoi dóhéag tá mé héna tnú go mór lei sin a tosú bra lua ag a decha clog. Agus ar nói, buach fointe na gomórtas ag fleachiol na hhéireann, comórtas na banní céilí sínseireacha ag teacht chomh ón chala mór an seo coscún ag leathair tréis a chuig. Well, mar dúirt mé an chéad comórtas tí tosú tá daine tagtha isteach agus sé sin an comórtas faoi 8 gon fíb ilan. Seannig gach omthór trífort ceann in ige chéile, each competitor will play 3 tunes in sequence, so Tom cínta go bhfuil fééis de ceol amach roing an seo inis. Támuid réile tosú agus rachamid cuéildíireach síos chuig an ordan, chuig ban antí an fáilteoir Jacinta ní chanéile.
Gur míle maithagaí. Díchuí be chuinúisle agus fáilte isteach chuig fleachiol na héireann fichi sé in seo a méil feiriste. Tá mís an seo ag an comórtas na píbalin faoi 8 mbliana díis. Is féidir libh muid áilt ar YouTube trad TG4. Welcome everyone to Fleachiol na Héireann 2026 here in Belfast. Are you all having a good time? Woo! We are here at the Uillinn Pipes Under 18 competition, and you can find us on YouTube trad TG4 and also on coltas.ie. Now, a few housekeeping announcements. So, couple of fógra in seo. So, dinnig cínta go bhfuil na phone póca muachta, so please switch off all mobile phones. Fangi iver siachan nuair tána humahori ar an státe, so please remain seated while the competitors are performing. If you have any late slips, let the hell tar Margaret and seo. To the late slips go Margaret, please hand Margaret over your late slips. Agus na humahori atá an seo le a hell, if you see Barclay Gavin, make yourself available to Barclay Gavin there. The multri tá aine our adjudicators are Conor Mallon agus Jimmy Morrison. Thomas Bula Bosco the multri. And in the event of a fire, tá an doras éilethe tá Caroline ar on the right and on the left, and the 2 doors up there. At East Jimleana, tá Shuma Trophy. There's a winner area here for all the winners. There's a presentation times are as follows. So today at 7 o'clock. So if you won first, second or third, you can go to this waiting area. It's up in the 2nd floor in the waterfront. You can also have an opportunity to go there tomorrow at 1 p.m, 4 p.m, 7 p.m, and also on Sunday at 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. Nish, also as well for the pipes, can you just make sure that you're all tuned up before you get up on stage? There's rooms out there to my right if you want to tune up. Agus shin, nish, tamachon dul treeds and rolla. I'm going to go through the roll. So if you're here, you can say in sha, and if you're not here, you can also say in sha. Nish. Ivrihian, omahor Ivrihian, Nisha o Gallaghan, Belclair Galia, unsha. Ivrido, Benjamin Yates, a US, we have a late slip for him. Ivritri, Jessica Gray, Cahardoni is gach Tibadoran, will Jessica and Ja? Neil Fos. Unja? Oh, Eintach. Okay. Ivri Kahir, Martha McKeown, Dún Reva Ordwacha. Unja. Ivri Kuig, Roshini Conmara, Bala Ochrim, Unvi. Unja. Ivri Shea, A. Tollier, Eastwall, Auclia. Unja. Ivri Schacht, Phil McCall, Muinachan, Unsha. Ivri Ocht, Seamus O'Purcell, Limnach, Unsha. Agus Ivri Nui, Tarani Wheel, Duhio Gachgalia. That's she all taken Sha. Intach fad. Well done, T. Okay, so toss and leis an chéad chomórtas. We'll start now leis an chéad omahor, the first competitor, agus big bula bus. And before actually I start, I want to say a big guramahaga to all the volunteers here at the door. Guramila maga, without you wouldn't be able for this competition, so Guramila maga ar fad. Gur míle maith as an oberfad all the hard work that you're going to be doing for the next few days. So just we'll make sure that all the doors are closed when the competitor plays 3 pieces of music. So Ivri Hien, Omahor Ivri Hien, Nisha O'Gallaghan, Belclair Galia. So Bula Bosco Nisha. Gur maithagad Nisha ó Galahan sin ascaile. An chéad umthór eile, the next competitor, Jessica Gray, Cahardúníos go Tibadáin. So bulabos go Jessica. Doris Dúnsa. Gur míle maitha go sin Jessica Gray as Tibedarin. An chéad umthór Elenis na Ivory Cahish, next competitor number 4, Martha McKeown, Dún Reva Ordwacha. So bula bos mór go Martha. Gur míle maithagad Martha McKeown sin as ardwacha. An chéad ó mothór eile na Ifre Cúig, number 5, Róisín Nic Conmara, Balla Ochrim an Bhí. So bula bos go Róisín. gur míle maithe go dtí róisiú ní chomara as balla chrim an bhí. An chéad umthór eile next competitor na Ivre sé, é táliúr Eastwall á clia. Bhfuil é anseo? Níl é anseo go fóil. Is A here? Okay. Leanna muid rá mar sin. Okay, chéad umthór we move on to the next competitor, Ivre Seacht, Phil McCall, ach na mulle muoinechan. With Phil anseo? Phil Aintach. Okay, well the bus more marshina Ivre Seacht, number 7, Phil McCall, as muoinechan. Gur maithagad film McCall as chun muoinechan agus rachmid ráisiríist go ihre sé am mthór ihre sé competitor number 6 é táliúr East Wall á Clia. So bula bas mór go é. gur maithagad an sin é. An chéad ó mthór eile nes competitor na Seamus ó Purcell as chun de limnach. Bhfuil Seamus anseo? Ó, ionintach, oké, búla bas mór go Seamus. gur míle maithad an sin, Seamus. An chéad umthór eile next competitor na Ivrenaí Taraní Bhuil dúi heog ach gaile. So bula mór go Tara. is gur míle maithad sin tarnaí bhfuil as dú cheolgach chun na galibh. Agus an umthór deire inis Ivra Dó, Benjamin Yates, St. Louis, Irish Arts, US. Tá just fannacht Benjamin. Okay, so bula was mór go Benjamin an seo. Mahag Benjamin. Agus sin dere on chomórtais, that's the end of that competition. So was couple nummer Nishkol and Multary, we'll just give the adjudicators a few minutes. I'd just like to say a big Guramila Mahagut to all the volunteers at the door. I think they deserve a big bulu bus there. Walner Fresh a big Guramaga to Margaret Gavin and Shaw, Agus Barclay Gavin, Agus Liam Guiney, Agus Moinser TG Caher, and also to you, the audience. So give yourself a big bullabus there, and the competitors. So Gurmila Mahagi and Bonagi Tanyev as a Chudel so enjoy the rest of the weekend, and we'll just give the judges just a few minutes to decide, and we'll be back to you then. Okay, Gurmila Mahagi.
Well, mar dúirt Jacinta an sin deire leis an gomórtas sin comórtas an fíb ilan das na daoine óga idir 5 bliana déag agus 8 mbliana déag. Well a lehéad go chomórtas le tús a chur leis an seo a gcuinge na píbarí ilan iontacha sin tuairt léargas dúing agus tá spáintas dúin de scochan cheol nóig an orla sin is sé ceannas na hórlaisí is casta le sinnim agus rinne siad écht maidin. Bhí mé is smaoinmh agus mé a géisteach lótha an sin agus muid an seo email firste cahar a bhfuil ahantas ag an gahar mar cahar ceol ag UNESCO agus nóid tá ahananta speisialta ag na píbarí ilan ó UNESCO freisin agus na píbarí ahananta mar éireacht chultartha láimsethe. So tús aontacht das na comórtais an seo ag phleá cheol na hÉireann. Well, ní raibh an sin a comórtas amháin tá go leor acu go thart agus maidin sular tháinig ar an air leabhar mise le hiifigach na gomórtas ag phleá cheol na hÉireann Gráinne Scoilinn. Well, Grania, you're new to this role here at Phleá Cheol na hÉireann. How did you get this job and how has the experience been so far?
Well, how do you get the job? You volunteer for Cultus and all of a sudden you're volunteer for all sorts of roles. But I've been doing Phleá coordinator for the Ulster Phleá for 16 years now. And then I became a member of Ard Comhairle and was nominated for this position. So thankfully I was able to shadow the last competitions officer last year, Seamus McCormick, and he helped me out a lot and showed me the ropes. So now this year is, the first year of doing it, but I have a bit of experience and I'm also annoyingly organised, which you kind of need to be for this job. But it's been a bit of a learning curve and I'm very lucky to have lots of support within the other officers within Cultus, and they have been such a good help to me. I have a notebook on my kitchen table and every time I have to ask a question, I write the answer down there, so hopefully I won't have to ask them again next year. So the real sort of benefit for me doing it this year though is I'm from 20 miles from here, so I know Belfast well, so it means that the city wasn't new to me, but the role's new. But it's been great fun.
Good on you. It is a huge undertaking and I imagine you would need to be hugely organised. Can you give us an oversight to the people that are watching in here today? How many competitions are taking place over the weekend? Well,
there's over 200 competitions, so we've between 3,000 and 4,000 competitors over the course of the weekend, and that's from the dancing, all the instruments, the duets, the trios, the groups, the bands, the marching bands, the chora, the scéalaíocht, the storytelling. So there's something for everybody within the competitions. And as you can imagine, there's a lot of organising has to go on beforehand to get ready for these competitions.
A huge amount of organisation, as you said, and there's bands, there's solos, there's underage, so I can only imagine. We're just giving a snapshot of a sample of here, but they're all over the city, I imagine. How many venues have you?
Well, we have 6 in the Waterfront and ICC. We have 10 venues in University of Ulster. We've 2 in the Assembly buildings and we've 4 in the Mac Theatre. So it's all over the city and all day, Friday, Saturday and Sunday.
Wow. And we're talking about the competition. So can you just give us a little step-to-step about, or step-by-step about what actually happens? We've got adjudicators, we've venues. So how do you even start?
Well, you start at the county Phleás and you are really relying on the county secretaries for Cultus to really do their job and to get all those competitors organised and the qualifiers through. Then they come through to the provincial levels or the regional levels, and then they come through to Dublin to get organised for Phleá Cheol na hÉireann. Then we have to organise what venues we're going to use. We have to organise the adjudicators, the adjudication sheets, the clerks that run the competitions. We have to do all the training for them. So yes, this is why we need to be organised for this role.
Very organised. Will you get to go to any of the competitions yourself this
Well,
weekend?
I'm going to be really cheeky and I'm going to go and clerk 2 competitions myself so I can actually see some music and enjoy the competitions as well. So before I took on this role, I would have been in the team for the groups and the bands. So I'm going to go back to that and do 2 competitions there.
Lovely. Well, look, enjoy it all and fair play for all the great work you've done to get us to this day, and enjoy Fleadh na hÉireann. Well, bin agah gráine scoilinn mar dúirt an taine atá i gceannas ar na comórtais go léir anseo, agus níl áras ach bhfuil an túfás oibre i gceist chun na comórtais go léir a reachtáil idir bhultóirí ionad agus galóra di eile nach é sin. Táid chun súil siar a chahabh ar na buachfuintí ón gomórtas seo fad samad ag fannacht ar scéile ón Ardan. Well, bin an níonar a bhí I gomórtas an seo in san chomórtas fíb ilan das na daine óga idir 5 bliana déag agus 8 bliana déag obair mhór le déanamh ag na multarí níl mé cinnte an bhfuil cinenne déanta go fóil ach de réir mar a hiigam tá scéile éigen ag Jacinta sa rachmad díreach a rís go Jacinta ní chníile ar an ardan.
Hi, gur míle maith go dtún agus tá scéal am, so I have news. We have a recall. Okay, so ifir a cúig Róisín Ní Chonmara, recall, agus ifir a nui, number 9, Tara Ní Bhuail. Okay, a recall. So you have to play a different tune of your own choice. Okay, so on Róisín and Ja, you have a few minutes to prepare, so take your time. Okay, agus will Tara and Ja? Will Tara? Can someone? Oh yeah, okay. Just take your time, you have a few minutes to prepare yourselves, okay? And we'll be back then in a few minutes, okay? Gur míle maith agaibh. So hold tight, we'll be back. Bei muid a dáis.
Well, mar a thuúla sibh an sin ó Jacinta tá bertas na homathirí tar éis eagléach a gáilt arás. Róisín Ní Chonmara as cóltas baile áthrim I gContae na Mí agus Tara Ní Bhuail as cóltas ceoltar ar an gama leisceil dúthaí theoigach I gContae na Gaillimhe. Bert Van Vishnúla a bheith go teacht arás ag an ordan. Tám cinnte go bhfuil siad faoi bhrúthaí san sin ach léironn se sin cé chó hard is a bhí an caidan an seo, cé cho thomaíoch is atá an gomórtas. Nuair a smaoiníam ar an uirlis sin bhí mé rá níos túisce gur bhí an uirlis is casta le sin am tá an méid sin rudaí a golaráig. Tá na builig á bhogad, tá mála á lína, tá na méiricha glúiseach, tá dósanna agus rialtán, regulators agus chuilerad a golaráig leis an bíb ilan uirlis Harbheith casta agus rud a rinne mé súntasta agus mé géisteacht leis an gomórtas áir sin níonar a bhí san nóíocht cethir chalíní rud eisceach dúil siar sna blianta ní chluiseo ban ag sinna mar an bíb ilan ach fír eisceach dúil ach bhí cethir as an níonar is chalíní iad agus is burtas na chalíní sin atá I golarás ar an ardan ar báil. Tá cai siad hurt eile a henam, so ní cloisimuid an rud céine is a hain siad, so is cinnte go bhfuil siad fibrú anna chuidas na daine seo, réitin siad an trí fort goma leiscéil don chomórtas agus sin bíonn siad a chleachta go dtíon, so cai siad rudaí nua a rial an seo inniuh. Ach tám cinnte leis an mirte tagléite arás nach buil é sin dóibh. Scot na geoltóirí is se iad agus tá it nú go mór le clostáil hua. Fad is táid I fannach lotha, táid is smuoine bhar na rudí eile tá golarráig, tá béal feriste faoi níos scá tá sé faoi gheasa bhfuil láthair mar tá an méid sin rudaí atáirliú ar na sráidení. Bhí mé héana an seo ó hús na seachtainna, tá ceol gach ar gachéon sráid I ngach éon carnéil, tá an gigraig hí saon, tá na tuthe tavarna lán, ach tá daine óga gach éon áit ag sinnam ceol ar gach ile uirlis ceol, agus is fésta tá ann. Táid an seo de híine atá ann, tá 3 lá fós le dul going agus táid I golarráig an seo ón dánach se caite. Táid chun tosig a chahabh ar na himachtaí a bheith á crothú ar gama leiscéil á srothú a gcuinge, tá mé cinálín tongtáid, tá mé smuoine bhar na chalíní óga sin a bheith go sús ar an ardan agus tá mé carbrú ar am héin. So níos téine neomh ag go 5 clog baig comórtas sínsir an ráhag léis, so sin an senior miscellaneous a tosnú go dtíireach in dhéige seo ag go 5 clog. A máracht sé saharn beag comórtas ceolberte os ceann 8 a tosnú ag go 10 clog. Agus an sin in dhéag sin ag lehartrir sé héin beag comórtas sínsir an bhanjo. Ag go 5 clog ba comórtas na crite dos na daine óga idir 5 bliana 10 agus 8 bliana 10 agus amárach lá mór na maní céilí, thulamar níos túisce faoine baní céilí a bheith go tarlú a mu ar na sráidení agus gachard mar sin ach amárach a muide a ddíú ar na baní céilí faoi dóigh ag go 10 clog ar maidin agus ar nó buach fointe chomórtais fleachiúil na hhéireann na baní céilí sínsir. Ba sin is stig sa chala mór an seo san ionad coscún ag lethar tar éis a 5. Tá a going go bhfuil muide ar trad TG Cahar ar YouTube agus táid ar choltas.ie agus bígé dagháling ar na meán ho síalta. Ná dénig darúd freisin bheitthe fechant ar TG Cahar bio agus ar TG Cahar.ie gach ihe ag lehartri sin ní. Tá sco na maní ceol agus na ggheoltóirí le bheith an sin na híos an sin le gráine agus duran agus padar agus tám cinnte go mai anna chrec agus anna choúidir an sin. So bhí cinnte le bheith géisteach le sin. So an bhfuil muid ré le goil síos go dtí an tardan, níon muid ré go fóil, Tá muid fannacht ar na daine ógus, sa tá sé chun lenacht ráid go lua, Tá muid fannacht ar róisín Nick Conmara agus ar Tara ní bhil agus ba muid ar cuamh i gceann cúpla nómad.
Okay, Falter over Ashricht, welcome back, and we will start the competition again. So we had a recall. Ivra Cuig Roshini Conmara, agus Ivra Nui Tarani Wheel, and we will go in order of the book. So Ivra Cuig, number 5, Roshini Conmara is going to play first. So a big bullabus, go Roshini Conmara, Bala Ochrim on V. Gur míle maithad Roisin, agus a chéad umar eile ná Tarni Wheel, and give Tara a big bullabus. Gur míle maithe Tara, agus istir mus cúpan númad go na multarí. We'll just give the judges a few minutes to deliberate there. Gur míle maithe gaí.
Well, sin an tagléocht díanta burt gléochta arás sa gomórta seo sa tá gomórta sin hart ach tuairmid cúpla nómad inis dus na moltóirí chun an cinenne déhnach dhéanamh ní máilm a driblóid tá obermhór le déanamh. Maidin bhí me sé caint le Vince Jordan duine a bhfuil buint séige le Comhaltas Ceoltóirí Éireann agus nó ír uachtarán le Comhaltas Ceoltóirí Éireann seo mar a bhí le rá ag Vince. Vince, we're here at the first ever Fleadh na HÉireann in Belfast. Can you tell me, how do you feel Belfast has embraced Fleadh na HÉireann?
I think over the week we've seen a lot of happiness. People have been talking to me about the Fleadh. One man I was with this morning, a Belfast man, he said he's never seen the city like this. The colour, the people, the music, the song, the dance, and the overall environment of happiness. And I think the city lends itself well with the architecture, both ancient and new, coming together beautifully. The amount of people, as I say, on the roadside, and they're happy. So that can only rub off onto me and make me happy. So very happy with it.
Great, it's contagious, yeah. And moving to a new venue and a new town is always a challenge, but Belfast has fully embraced that, and that's the sense around here.
Yeah.
You've seen many a change in Comhaltas Ceoltóirí Éireann and the Fleadh. It has evolved quite a bit since your involvement here. You're a former president, you're now a trustee. Can you tell me, what are the biggest changes you've seen?
It'd be hard to determine them changes, but other than story. My first Fleadh was in 1969 in Cashel, in Tipperary. I was amazed by the music, the quality of the music on the street, but of course the numbers were quite small, relatively speaking. And over the years, I've seen it grow and grow and grow until we get to Belfast here, an extraordinary amount of people and an extraordinary amount of goodwill and an extraordinary amount of hard work to put this all together, and all the partners in this have put that work in, have put the preparation in. Looks like and will be continued as a wonderful event.
Indeed, and what do you think the legacy of the Belfast Fleadh will be here?
I hope that the legacy will be one of all them different traditions coming together. Our own tradition, the tradition of the Loyalist community, the traditions of the Ulster Scots, the traditions of all the other peoples that make this wonderful community. I hope that will be the legacy. I'm pretty convinced it will be the legacy. So that coming together for me.
Great. And is there anything in particular you're looking forward to over the weekend as Fleadh na HÉireann?
I can't help but say it. Senior band competition is what I live for. Fantastic. Looking forward to that so much. But the whole general scene is just lovely. Yeah.
Great, and of course we'll be streaming live from that on Sunday night here at the beautiful waterfront to a packed house. It's already sold out, so enjoy the rest of Fleadh Cheoil Fiche Fiche, and thanks for coming to talk to us.
Thank you, Frida. Thank you.
Bin agah Vince Jordan on TV agus ír uachtarán Comhaltas Ceoltóirí Éireann. Well, anis a chuirde tá scéala tagtha chomh sa go bhfuil an cinenne déanta ag na moltóirí sa rachmaid arás chuig an ardán chuig Jacinta ní Chanéile.
Gur míle maithe agus Thomas Rashid, and we have white smoke. So, thank God. So, I have the adjudicators, Colin Mallon and Jimmy Morrison, and one of them is going to give the result, and the other adjudicator is going to give the medal. And just don't forget as well, the winners area as well is on the second floor. And I think we missed a slot for today, but there's more slots for tomorrow if you want to take your photo. Okay, that's for me now. Gur míle maithe gaí.
Gur míle maithe gaibh go léir. In St. Trúarás, in third place, A. Talúr, as Bala Clia. And San Darawas, agus, this is very close. Roisin ní Conmara as Alvaí. Agus since Céadúas, in first place, Tara ní Bhéal as Cúnda Gallaigh.
Agus sin agus lán agah. Okay, thank you very much. Gur míle maith agaibh.
Well, sin é an Comórtas Thart, bhuaigh mná na Gaillimhe an tachtain seo caite, tá bua ag Gaillimh inniu agus sé Taran í Bhíl a tháinig sa chéad áit sa Comórtas sin. Taran í Bhíl as dúthaí heoigach an sa tarna háit Roisin ní Conmara as Condé na Mí agus sa tríú áit Táiliúr as Baile á Clia. Tréaslíam ó chrí le chuile chuine acu mar a dúirt na moltóirí caidan an ard agus omíocht an na céir. Well, sin a bhfuil uinge go fóil ón Comórtas seo, baimid a ráis I gceann tamil an a bheog, so bígí ling don chéad Comórtas eile bheith go torlú ag go 5 clog sin Comórtas ráach léis sínsir ag go 5 clog, níl mór an amagin chuir an cital ar siúl agus baimid a ráis cuamh ar a 5.